Ladies and gentlemen, it's an absolute privilege to have you as a chief guest at this event. Your dedication to life sciences and remarkable achievements serve as a shining example to our audience. You have motivated us all by being a living example of kindness and selfless services to your nation. You have given your best by sharing your expertise and knowledge in every way possible. So, without wasting any time, I would like to request Dean Faculty of Life Sciences, Professor Dr. Farhad Nabeen, please come forward to the podium.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you very much for the kind introduction. Dignitaries, chairpersons, directors, chairperson of the Physiology Department, Dr. C. Balwar, chief organizer of this conference, Dr. Ghulam Hussain, distinguished speakers, valued guests, participants from different universities and organizations, faculty and my dear students, Assalamu alaikum, and a very good morning. It is with great pleasure that I welcome you to the second International Brain and Biomedicine Conference, IBBC 2024. It is a privilege to participate in this conference, which I am sure it will help you to update knowledge and practices in this very important area of the physiology, likely with reference to the brain and the biomedicine. This year, the theme of the conference is socio-economic and malnutrition burden, a catastrophe for the brain health. This year, the theme is very important. As adequate nutrition, it is a key factor to live an active and a healthy life, in spite of its importance as a determinant of the health and the development. Malnutrition is still a neglected area and too little as has been known and has been done to address its causes and the serious social and economic implications. Despite social and economic development, the burden of malnutrition across the globe remains unacceptably high. So, a vital relationship exists between nutritional status, human capital, and economic standing. Malnutrition adversely affects the physiological and mental capacity of individuals, which in turn hampers the productivity levels, making them and their respective countries more susceptible to the poverty. So I, on behalf of the Government of University of Hyderabad, the organizers of the conference and patron of IBBC 2024, I would like to express my most sincere gratitude for your presence in this opening ceremony, which is the gateway to the initiation to our scientific program. So let me also welcome and thank all our speakers, and some of whom have traveled some distances to be here with us today. And I also thank our keynote from the Australia, Melbourne University. Thank you very much. So today's conference is a great opportunity for the different disciplines to integrate and influence each other, and because it is not only related to the life sciences department but also the psychological department, applied psychology and the clinical psychology, it is also over here. I hope everyone will go home at the end of the day with the new ideas and inspirations for collaborations with others and within and outside the IBBC 2024 to greatly step up to discovery and innovative work. I would like to acknowledge the hard work of the organizing committee, which is headed by the Dr. C. Balwar and Dr. Ghulam Hussain. I also appreciate the contribution of the Department of the Physiology to help the community in giving the different scientific services for the different physiological tests as well. So, it is a very privilege to be here, and let me also thank all of you for your participation, and I wish everyone a fruitful and enjoyable conference. I will reiterate that the brain health is very important, as a healthy mind creates a passionate mind. And a passionate mind creates a creative mind. And a creative mind creates a purposeful life. So stay healthy minded. Healthy mind creates a healthy society. So thank you all. God bless you.